Hi there, Melody from WTI.
If you're a bird lover, you're going to absolutely fall in love with this birdhouse. It's bright. It's going to attract all kinds of birds into your yard. It's going to add excitement and charm to your outdoor space and bring so much fun. This awesome little birdhouse is made out of a premium metal with a sturdy anti-rust paint that has a coating that's going to make sure it's going to last a long time. The lanyard and hook really makes it easy that if you want to switch places for your birdhouse, you're more than welcome to enjoy the different views. I absolutely love that this has 2 different perches on either side, so there's lots of room for multiple birds to come and eat and just hang out with their feathered friends. And I also love that it has a removable roof, so you can fill it up with whatever seeds that you like. Easy to clean. It's easy for all your feathered friends and even those who want to come and visit and check things out, although they can't get in as easy. I love this little birdhouse. I know you will too. It's going to be fun for the whole family. It's also great as a gift.
And that's my point of view.